Hi everyone and welcome to the Crafty Wagner. Today we are going to go over a very easy, simple tutorial on how to upload, use your SVG for a new design that we've got just in time for Mother's Day, and it is called Mama Needs a Nap, which I think we can all relate to. So without further ado, we are in a brand new canvas. This is the new button canvas for a Cricut design space. I'm going to hit the upload button and upload my image. Just make sure I've got my SVG file, and we're going to hit the save button. So I've made sure that there's a few different layers to this design. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so that you guys can actually see it on the main page here. I'm going to make a few things a little bit easier to see as well. So we're going to pull our groups in. It is a very simple design, but it's also multi-dimensional depending on what you would like to do with it. So in saying that, if I were to hide our bubble, for example, so when you actually cut this out, you will actually see all of the Z's will be see-through. I've also done that on the cloud as well. However, if you would like to, you can actually add the words, and let's make this a different color so that you can see it. So if you wanted to, you could add a secondary color there just to change it up a little bit. So in saying that, we go over this every time, but I'm going to show you again. So this is just in a grouping at the moment, so we're actually going to hit ungroup for the two of them and make sure these two groups are okay. And what will happen is, if we just leave it as the groups and hit the make it button, it causes all sorts of chaos and all that fun stuff. And so we've got some weird little triangles over here, and where all of our letters have been sorted largest to smallest, and yeah, our exclamation point right there looking really sad. So we don't want to do that. We're going to hit the cancel button and make sure that each one of these says attach. So if we did want to do two different layers and hit the make it button, actually I'm going to just change this color in design space. It doesn't mean that my matte or my color is technically going to be like that, but it just makes it easier to see. So now it's all in its nice right spot. So if you just wanted to do this design and have it cut out, that's perfect. And then if you wanted to put the letters in a different color, it's all in the perfectly correct spot. So from here, if you wanted to use vinyl, then you would keep it like this. If you wanted to use heat transfer vinyl, remember to always mirror your image, and that will be for both of them. So what we're going to do from here is I'm going to go ahead, hit the cut button, and I'll show you what comes out.